Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. So today's tutorial is going to be very short and sweet. I don't want to take up too much of your time. It is Christmas Day. So I first off want to say Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Joyeux Noël, which is what we're going to be doing today. A very quick and easy Christmas ball. So this is one that was purchased as a red Christmas ball, and I'm just going to paint on it. So I don't have to do any decorating on the inside or on the outside other than the design that I want to do. So the background color is already chosen for me, and we're going to simply do Noel in a wreath. And very quick, very easy, and something that I thought I would leave as the last one because it is such a quick and easy one to do. Maybe when your guests come over and you want something to do and you've got some balls hanging around, grab some paint, and as the turkey is cooking, you guys can all sit around the table and maybe paint one of these beautiful little Christmas ornaments. So I'm using the word Noel. I've already done the word joy and I have done the word Merry Christmas. Where I live in Northern Ontario, there is a lot of French that is spoken as the mother tongue. So as their original language is French. So I thought to sort of highlight that we were going to do Noel. Now I didn't put in a joyous because I just simply didn't have enough room and it is a larger word. I could have done it small and moved the word Noel down a little bit. But I just wanted Noel. Everybody knows Noel, so that's why I wanted to do that. So I'm just using, at the beginning, you would have seen me use my stencil for doing circles. I've used it quite a bit in my full moon series. And I just traced the inside of the circle onto the ball with my General's charcoal pencil. Then I hand wrote the word Noel and then I painted it in as black. Now, once this is all dry, I will be erasing all of the white lines that are left from the General's charcoal pencil. And the cool thing is it does nothing to the bulb. So you just wipe it away with damp cloth, or as I was reading my comments from one of my last videos, the suggestion was to use a damp cotton swab. So that is something you can do as well. And I have done in the past, and I apologize for forgetting to mention that. So I'm just going to do a simple wreath around just using a dotting tool and dragging some dots. So everything that I use in the wreath is going to be a metallic color. I'm using the darkest green that I have, which is emerald green, I believe. And then I go in with festive green, and then I go in with it's a lighter color green. I'm sorry, I don't have the colors listed in front of me, but they will be listed in the description. So go check that out if you want to see exactly which colors I used and what brand names. If not, just go and use what you have in your stash. I totally urge you to do that. Make this yours and be as creative as possible or as much as you want. I just kept this simple because I thought as long as I showed you the technique, then you can let yourself get carried away with it. So I just do like little V's, I guess, for the original color. And then the second color, I come in and I'm just sporadically putting them in to cover up any of these red spots that are left inside the wreath, because I want that to be completely covered in green so that it gives the appearance of a wreath. So I do this all the way around, continuing with my little swipes of the dots, and I'm just using one dotting tool. I'm not adding in any extra. I really just wanted this to be sweet and simple for everyone on Christmas Day. So this is a bonus video. I did my 12 days of Christmas ornaments, but I thought I would do this too because I had this one planned and I thought, well, I've already filmed it and edited it, so let's get it out as my Christmas gift to you. So I really wanted to show you just one more technique on what you can do to make these balls look so, so pretty, and then how they sit in your Christmas tree. So now I'm going in with that last color of green and just filling in any spaces that I find that the red is shining through. So I'm just trying to make it thick. So I've got a nice rounded wreath, and I'm going to put some red cherries, or not cherries, I guess it'd be like red berries of some sort. And maybe it's holly that I'm putting on here. And then I also put in some gold dots. And I do them in sets of 3, and I just sporadically put them on. I don't have any rhyme or reason. I just see sort of a spot that it might need one, and I throw it in. So you don't have to be too symmetrical with this. It is a wreath after all. Just decorate it up any way that you want to. Maybe you want little red dots all throughout it. Maybe the little gold dots are enough and you don't need the red because the ball is already red. Totally up to you. I'm just putting these on now just to give it that little extra kind of Christmassy kind of look. So the best way to let me know if you like the video is by giving me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I urge you to please do so. I have 47% of my viewers are not subscribers. So if you subscribed, you could always tap that little bell and it'll give you a notification when I do post something new. So if you like the content that you've been watching, why not subscribe? Why not ring that bell? You can always turn the bell off if you don't want to get notifications and just discover me when you return back to YouTube. That's totally fine too. But please subscribe so that it helps with my algorithm and increases my viewership so that that gets me one step closer to my goal. So, but that's about it. I don't resin this or put a coating or anything like that on it. Just finish it the way it is. And that's it. So there you have it, folks. Life is what you make it. So get creative.